If you've been learning about AI tools but still feel unsure how to actually make money with them, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down 6 AI side hustles that beginners can start in 2026. These are simple, practical, and mostly free, and you don't need technical skills to get started. Let's jump in. The first AI side hustle is content bundles for small businesses. Every business needs social media content, but many don't have the time or skill to create it. Using tools like Canva for layout, Krea AI for visuals, and Floiki for short videos, you can create ready-made Instagram posts, story packs, promotional graphics, and simple ads. The best part is that AI lets you produce a full month of content in just a few hours. You can sell these bundles to local shops, salons, real estate agents, fitness trainers, or coaches. It's a fast, high-demand service that can easily bring side income every month. Second AI side hustle is content repurposing. This is one of the easiest services to start in 2026. You take a YouTube video, podcast episode, or long-form recording and convert it into a written blog using tools like Video to Blog AI. Then you can generate quotes, summaries, and short posts using AI writing tools. Many creators and small businesses want this because it saves them hours every week. You can charge per blog, per batch of social posts, or offer monthly repurposing packages. This side hustle is great because the AI does most of the heavy lifting. The third AI side hustle is building simple websites for small businesses. Using durable AI, you can generate a complete website in under a minute. Then you adjust the text, add images, and polish the layout. Most small businesses don't want complicated websites, they want something clean and functional. Even simple website jobs can pay $200 to $500. And with AI tools, this is one of the fastest services to deliver. The fourth AI side hustle is AI research services. Tools like Tavily can quickly generate summaries, competitor comparisons, insights, and topic research. You can take this information and turn it into polished reports, checklists, or PDFs. Students, creators, solopreneurs, and small teams constantly need quick research but don't have the time to do it. This is a low-stress side hustle that uses AI to do most of the work while you package the information neatly. The fifth AI side hustle is creating short-form videos for brands. Using Flicky or Pictory, you can create vertical videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. These videos are in huge demand, especially for coaches, online stores, restaurants, and new creators. You can offer packages like 10 Reels per month and sell them for $50 to $200. Short-form content is exploding right now, and AI makes it extremely easy to deliver consistent results. And here's a bonus sixth side hustle: AI resume and profile optimization. Tools like ChatGPT and specialized resume generators can rewrite resumes, create optimized LinkedIn profiles, or generate professional summaries. Many job seekers struggle with writing and formatting, and this service is becoming more valuable every year. You can offer resume cleanups, full rewrites, or profile optimization packages. It's simple, high demand, and AI helps you complete the work quickly and professionally. So those were 6 practical AI side hustles that anyone can start in 2026. If you want a full, step-by-step tutorial on any specific side hustle, comment below and I'll make it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tools and future tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.